Hi, this is Griffin with Huisen Furniture. Today we're going to be building the 9-cube organizer. This is our white finish and it can be found in stores or on walmart.com. Before you start, you want to check to make sure that none of your panels have any damage and that you have all of your hardware. If you have any problems, you can refer to this number and we'll get you taken care of. If everything is in order, then you can begin assembly. For step 1, you're going to need your 2 A panels, your 2 C panels, and your 6 D panels. You're also going to need 8 of the small wooden dowels and 8 of the long wooden dowels. Start by taking one of your A panels and inserting 4 small dowels into the pre-drilled holes. Next, take your 2 D panels and attach them to the A panel. Next, you will want to take 2 of the longer dowels and insert them into a D panel. And then take 2 more and insert them into the other one. Next, take a C panel and insert them through. Then, take your 2 D panels and add them on. Then, 4 more of the long wooden dowels. Another C panel. And then 2 of your D panels. And lastly, insert your 4 wood dowels into the D's and attach the top A panel. For step 2, you're going to want to take your 2 B panels, 16 screws, and 8 wood dowel pieces. Start by inserting the wood dowel pieces into the middle pre-drilled hole. There should be 4 on each side. Next, you will want to attach a B panel. Make sure that you attach it with the side that has more holes. Then secure it with 8 screws. Repeat this process on the other side. After you have screwed in each of the screws, attach the white end caps over the end of the screws. Lastly, you'll want to position your 5 E panels like so and grab your 40 nails. Begin nailing the nails into the unit where there are pre-drilled holes on each of the E panels. Lastly, you will want to take this bracket, this small screw and washer, insert the screw like so, and screw it into the bottom